Basically, there's a plastic in here, but I take it off because there's moist inside. So you can see that thing in here. So yeah, this is the back of it. So collect all three designs. This is the push pop. It doesn't scare because can you see the spring? You see the spring there? That's why it pops out. So yeah, let's taste this, guys. It's like a lollipop. I mean popsicle. Let's taste it. Sour. Okay, guys. So this is the end of the video today. Yeah, bye guys, and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what's your favorite thing here. Comment down below what's your favorite color. Mine is this pink one and this blue. Actually, all the colors. Comment down below, guys. So yeah, this is my video today. So I have a video tomorrow. So yeah, just click the smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Give a comment and yeah, share and subscribe. Say bye. Bye. Please subscribe.